What's happening, guys? Guys, if you're new here, my name is Shrey, and you are watching Shrey TV, baby. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are on this beautiful planet. Guys, welcome. Welcome. What's happening with Bitcoin? The title of the video is I Was Wrong. It's not $28,000 that I was waiting for. It was this number here, right here, 27,200. Right. I think we are going to consolidate and we are going to go up higher to 28. This is the number 28,600. Next move, consolidate and then move up to 29,300. The wick could go to $30,000. Okay, that's what I expect right now. I don't think as many people are expecting that we would go to $25,000. This is the range. If we lose this level, 27,122, this level, then I would say 25,000 is coming. Okay, but until then, I'm firm that we would go up to $30,000. $29,000 to $30,000 is coming. How's everyone, man? Let's see what is happening with the markets. What is pumping? Flare Networks. I haven't looked at Flare Networks for a long time. What's happening with Flare? Boy, oh boy, I was so right, man. Look at that. You see this scribble? I said this was the bottom here when Flare Network was here. You see the scribble? We did reach this point. God damn it. At one point, Flare Network was here. I don't think this is the full chart for Flare Network. At one point it was 53 cents. Let's see if we are able to find Flare Network.
I heard through the grapevines you missing a playtime, girl. Your beauty make 'em bow down. I need that body right now. Yeah.
I can't find the full chart for Flare Network. It was 53 cents at one point. And overnight, the price fell to 5 cents or something like that.
One time out of 10, 4 times.
Yep, not able to find it. Yeah, I can see you can find here 20 cents, but you see this drop. The drop was from 50 cents, a huge drop. It came down to 1 cent, and then it's been consolidating like that sideways. Okay. And no matter the ups and downs, I'll be right. Fujiwara, Shrey TV, baby. Ned, how are you, brother?
Your beauty make 'em bow down. I need that body right.
Let's find a low cap. Gem.
The love will never die down.
We were looking last time. We were looking at, and our search stopped at UPI. We looked at UPI and we looked at Hush. These are all the low caps. See, $600,000. Soy finance. What is soy?
Let's fly, let's fly.
Let's look at soy finance. Maybe we are able to find a 100x gem.
Let's fly, let's fly, let's fly. You and I. And no matter how long it takes, I'll be right here by your side.
How much did this one retrace? 96.97. No, what is this? Yeah, no, only 97%. This has more room to go down.
Afraid to fall in love with me. Let me be your parachute. Parachute. One time out of 10, 6 past 7, 8, 9. We fly till the end. My hands on your waistline. Sky high, feel the wind.
To go back.
This love thing can take time. Yeah. Up in the sky.
Chad coin. What is Chad? This looks like a meme coin. Volume is about 1.6 million on Chad. That's good. That's the market cap, $700,000. Let's look it up, Chad. Just because I like the name. No chart here. Where is it available? Let's see, Chad. Yeah, it's a meme coin. Market is untracked. BNB chain. Probably on Binance chain. Not probably, it is on Binance chain. Chad coin. Maybe here, hold on. I could be wrong. Yeah, this is another Chad coin. Let's see. Where is this available? Huobi. It's on Huobi. Yeah, or Uniswap. Yeah, market cap $768,000. Chad coin. Yeah, nothing there. See on trading view if you're able to find something. Okay, we found something. And this just released this coin, Chad. Guys, what do you think? Chad USD. Let's see if it has older history. Let's look it up here on market cap. It's been just 1 month, less than 1 month. This coin released less than 7 days, actually. Yeah, that's what it says here. Look at that. This is a new coin. It's called Chad coin. Chad. Meme coin. I like it so far. It's a gamble, you know. The market cap is $700,000. So how wrong can you go? That's what I'm thinking. You know, $700,000 market cap, Chad coin. Let me make sure I have this in the bag somewhere. Chad coin. When these meme coins fly, they're going to be crazy. I'm gonna put like in some shit coins like Chad coin, coins like Pepe, stuff like that. You know, I would put $200, $200, $200, just as if I've lost that $200, right? And if I'm lucky, or you know, it's just like hitting a lottery, or this thing goes to zero. If it even goes to zero, it's just $200. But say, for example, if it clicks and that thing reaches a $100 million market cap, that'd be crazy, right? Hardik, how are you, Hardik? Shreya, I think this is the last time Bitcoin reaches 30K this year. Fuji water. I don't think so, brother. You know, if we are heading to $30,000, we would come back one more time to $27,000 and then move up. That will be it. And next move up will be $40,000. I'm sorry, $35,000. $35,000 from here, consolidate a little bit, and then move up to between $35,000 to $37,000 range. Here, this range right there, you see? Right, 35, 37, and then you can expect a correction. You know, a big drop. 35, you know, but from 35, you could see a drop to 29. I would not be surprised if you see that kind of drop. From 36 to 30,000 drop. Yeah. That'll be a nice drop that you can see. You know, something like this. What has happened here? You could see a drop like that. See what happened here? Something like that. And it'll be a quick drop. Quick drop, consolidation, and move up. Right. But the next stop would be between $35,000 to $36,000. 35 to 37 actually. The wick could go to $37,000. But that's what I'm looking for. See here, if you notice, we had our arc. The price is coming and hitting on our arc. Right on the arc. See, every time the price hits the arc, we bounce. Okay? Have you noticed? Every time we hit the arc, the price bounces. We are sitting on the arc right now as we speak. So we should bounce from here. You know, 29, consolidate a little bit from $29,000. I would say right here. This would be an appropriate way to look at it. Yeah, this would be more appropriate. 27, go up come back down, come back on the arc again to 27,600 and then move up to this amount. What is this? Yeah, between $35,000 to $37,000. Yep. It's not done yet. It's not done yet. This move is going to be a lot bigger than people expect. You know, I was expecting a huge drop way back, okay? 6-7 months down the line when I was saying that Bitcoin's going to hit $30,000. When Bitcoin was sitting at $16,000, I said that Bitcoin will hit $30,000, and I don't know what happens after that because time would tell. But now the time has told me that we are going higher. We are going higher. The day Bitcoin went above this level, we crossed this and comfortably did a retest, went up and did a retest again. We're retesting this level, right? So once this retest is done, we'd go back up. I don't think we are going to 24. Yeah, I don't think so. Not right now. Could be wrong. I could be wrong. But yeah, man. Right now I'm bullish. I think we're just doing a retest of this level and go back up. Because look, you have to look at the other altcoins too, not just Bitcoin, right? They are ready to explode. They're literally ready. Yeah, man. All the altcoins are ready. Not all. Some of them are on the edge. Bitcoin makes another move up to $28,000, $28,500. These, some of the altcoins will hit their higher high. Yep. See? This is Zilliqa. I mentioned this day before yesterday as well. So what's happening in the crypto universe? Let's see in the crypto news. Ether erases all gains from Shanghai rally as Bitcoin, other cryptos prices fall. Okay. BitBoy Crypto intentionally misses court appearances to address alleged harassment. Vitalik breakup caused market dip. He has a girlfriend? Crypto price today. Bitcoin drops below 28,100. Well, this is 2 days ago. Story. Okay, nothing much in the news. Nothing big. Well, Zilliqa has been trending since past 3 days. Zilliqa has been trending on Twitter. That's a good thing because Zilliqa never got the exposure. I think the Zilliqa marketing team is not good enough. They never, like Solana. What Solana did good was very good at marketing. So Zilliqa needed to spend money, $1 or $2 million just on marketing, right? Market your product, right? Nobody knows about Zilliqa. It's a competitor of Ethereum. Competitor of Solana is as good as Solana or better than Ethereum or better than Solana, I think. But the market cap is only $500-600 million. That's ridiculous. Look at the market cap of Zilliqa. It's funny how low it is. On a blockchain, anything that is built on a blockchain, you will need the foundation. Zilliqa is the foundation where everything else is built on the top of it. Like Ethereum, all the apps are built on Ethereum. Just like that, this is Zilliqa, where everything could be built on Zilliqa a lot cheaper. Like Ethereum gas fees and how expensive Ethereum is to build on. Smaller businesses, smaller companies, where they're going to build, okay? You will not have many options. So you have Solana, you have Cardano, you have Zilliqa. You have like 5-6 big players. One of them could be Zilliqa. Look at this, $500 million market cap. That is low, super low. Circulating supply, what is this? 15 billion, right? Max supply 21 billion. Yeah, man, I like it. Look at this chart. This is just saying that I'm gonna pump like a MF. Where did Silica go? Come on, buddy. See, next level that I'm looking for Silica is this level right here. See this? This is where we are going. 0.046. Okay, straight up. Pump. I would not be surprised if we go up like that. A 40% pump. 43% pump to 0.046 for Silica. I would not be surprised at all. You know, consolidate a little bit, you know, over here and pump back up again. This 19-20 cent mark. See this? Yeah, 19-20 cent mark again. Next stop. Once we hit this area, pump a 43%, consolidate a little bit, go back up, consolidate, back up. It'll be aggressive from there on. Yep. Here you could expect a some sort of big correction at 20 cents. But until then, I don't expect much. But I do expect it to go way higher than 20 cents. But you could see a correction on 20 cents. Yeah, I'm bullish, man. I'm bullish on the market. No matter what people say, I don't care. This looks good. This looks good to me. Straight tell me buy and digital coin in FEN 2020. Hardik is my buddy. Kelsey West. There are CME gap at 24,800 that needs to be filled better now than later. There's one around $20,000. There's one around $3,000 too, brother. Kelsey, you know, these gaps, if you look at the gaps, there are so many gaps for Bitcoin. There's a gap at $800 too, you know. So, yeah. You know, I mean, you cannot strategize your whole run depending on that. See, on a bearish scenario, if you're looking at bearish scenarios, then I'm looking at just one coin. I have my bullish argument and bearish argument. I'm looking at this chart, Augur. See this chart? This chart goes bearish. Here, touches this line. Touches this line, goes back up, and comes back to this number, $3.88. That's it. That means this will give me a signal that everything's gonna crash. You know, 70 to 90%. Okay, a huge crash. This is Augur. I know you see the scribble that I have here, how I expect it to go down, right? If a market collapse is going to happen, I'm going to keep a track on this particular coin because it'll tell me when exactly that huge crash is going to come, because I've been tracking this coin. But if by any chance this goes above this level, $15 level, if it crosses that level, $15, then my whole thesis about this big crash that I'm expecting will go away. Okay, but this is not going to come right now. It's going to, you know, see, I expected a dump and then a pump and then a dump, right? And then a massive dump follows after that. Okay, so I'm keeping an eye on this coin. If anything changes, right, I have my eyes on the bullish scenarios, but we still have time, these many months. See, how many days? I have about 130 days for all this to happen. Okay, still 130 days for all this to happen. So we have about 120 days for us to pump. So if the market doesn't pump in next 120 days, if my altcoin doesn't pump, then I would have to make a decision that I want to take some cash out, because I will be expecting a huge, massive dump after that. Okay. So yeah, I am bullish for the next about 90 to 120 days. 90 to 120 days, I'm bullish. You know, in between we'll get dumps, right? You see, I was expecting this dump, and then pump, and then dump. You know, in between, if your coin, you have to see where your coin in your cycle is. It's gonna pump. For example, ICP is on a verge of pumping between 550 to 700%. Zilliqa is on a verge pump, right? So depending on what coin you hold, right? Like Bitcoin Cash is not gonna pump massive. It'll pump to probably $200, right? $220, $230. It's not huge. 100% move, you know, from here. Every coin has a different cycle. Ned, looks like SLP wants a new low, brother. Especially when BTC takes dominance. Can't wait to buy again. Okay. Yeah, if you look, there are gaps, CME gaps. I don't go about the gaps, man. If you're worried about the gaps, then you'll never be able to, you know, go buy. This does not play out always. I can guarantee there would be gaps somewhere here. Right? What if you just waited for that gap? It would have gone up, right? If you waited for gaps somewhere here, gone up. See, never comes back down. You know, like what they do usually, they do a scam wick that fills out these orders of gaps. Right? I believe in gap, but they would have this scam wick that goes all the way down, fills out all the gaps. Right? That you won't even notice. It won't show in all crypto. It won't show in all crypto exchanges, right? But it happens. Let me explain you. Let me show you. Actually, if you look at the total crypto market cap, you see this wick? It's a scam wick. We were supposed to dump, and it shows we did dump to this area, right? Look at this. Look at the scam wick. Right. It dumped to the area that I was expecting, but it didn't show on. Nobody was able to get this, right? But on this chart, it shows that we did dump to this level. Bitcoin came to $10,000. You know, if it dumped to this level, then Bitcoin did come to $10,000, right? See how strong this candle is. This is the daily candle it shows. I never saw the prices come back down to this level. The daily close of this thing shows down here. How is it possible? Look at a 4 hourly. Let's look at 4 hourly and see. So you telling me for 4 hours the market went this low? More than 4 hours. I didn't find it. You know, it's bullshit. So how do you trust these charts, right? Yeah. Right now it's just showing here on other charts, on the altcoin market cap chart, this wick went all the way back down like this. All the way back down. So imagine how many gaps it was filling. Look at this. Yeah. Look at this wick. You see this? Kelsey. Look at this. Huge scam wick that went down. Fills out every gap possible. Goes out deep, okay? Look at this. Crazy. I think they have computers algos. They do this for the algos. Why would you have such a huge wick and it's not gone? If it was an error, it would be gone from this chart. It's still there. This was on Jan 4th of 2023. Okay. Just like that. You see how this wick went up? How high it went, right? Yeah. So these charts could be manipulated. You know what I mean? Altcoins are doing a retest right here. See? Altcoin chart. Nicely retracing. Yeah. Perfect retrace. Look at this. Perfect retracement. Kissed it and it'll be going up. Look at that. Perfect. This chart looks like a Dracula chart. Look at this, like blood drawing down. Look at these wicks here. We don't have that many wicks here, but look at these wicks. So long. Crazy. Look at these. Randall McMurphy, the Doe Ron Ron, and the Duke of Earl were friends of mine. Do Ron Ron and the Duke of Earl. What are you talking about, bro? I don't know what exactly are you talking about. Okay, we were in the search of a low cap gem. Low cap gem. We looked at Chad coin. Looks promising. I like the volume. $1.6 million volume. 24 hours. That's good. The market cap is only $770,000. Okay? Something to look out for. Chad coin. GLEEC. Okay, this coin's been there since 2020. Down 99.55%. I wouldn't be surprised if it tries to come above this level right there. You know, even touches this top of this channel right here. Yeah, top of this channel, it could. So that's a 15x. GLEEC, GLEEC coin. Market cap is really low. $400,000 market cap. Okay, I don't know what this coin is. No, I'm sorry. Volume is 400,000. Market cap is 770,000. But again, still low. Let's find something that I have looked. Katana. I've heard a lot about Katana. Market cap $759,000. Let's see Katana. KTN. Yeah, dropped to 99.34% drop. Mini Doge. Mini Doge market cap $752,000. Let's just for the sake of it, let's just look at it. Yeah, it's been just going down since it came into existence. Been just flatlined. Yeah, dropped 100%. Mini Doge dropped 100%. This will have some sort of scam pump, you know, at some point. Some point in the meme season, this might have a scam pump. Mini Doge. Look at this, it's just flatline, down 100%. So many zeros. Look at that, crazy. But the volume is only $100. Where is this thing available? Pancake swap. I'm pretty sure it must be on BNB chain. Yeah, it looks like a scam. But hey, you know, $100. You never know. I would not put, I would put $100, $50, just for fun. I'm thinking I might just, have $2,000 or $5,000 dedicated to just shit coins. Put $100, $200, $100, $200. Just do shit coins and see, what happens. Just $5,000 to shit coins like that. I may do that. Degen strategy. Jam Epic Cash in the house. What's happening, brother? Dead coin. Yeah, man. Baby Doge looks like dead coin. Yeah, trying to find a nice low cap that I have heard about, like, which has at least something going on for it, have some sort of a community behind it. I've heard about Bynamon. I think it's some sort of game or something, right? Bmon, NFT platform or a game? Oh, Unfederal Reserve. We just looked at it yesterday. I really like this on Federal Reserve. It dropped 99.99%. Guys, if you haven't seen the stream from yesterday, ERSDL. What is it called? ERSDL, right? On Federal ERSDL, yeah. Here, this is the coin. I think it's a good buy right now. Guys, nothing on the channel is a financial advice, just my opinion. Dropped to 99.90%. Okay? This thing on Federal Reserve, I think it's a good buy. I think it's a good buy. Look at this, you know. If it drops another 10%, 20%, who cares? You know. It's basically zero right now, man. Zero. You know.
Make you forget who you are
I mean, the odds. Look at this.
and how strong you are.
I like it. I like it. I like this coin at this price. Right here. On Federal Reserve. Dropped 99.90%. I would say this would pump to at least this level. At some point in the cycle, I would not be surprised at all if it pumps to this level right here. See? Yeah, that would be a 10, 12x. Yeah, 7x. Who cares? 7x. I would take 7x. 0.01. Yeah, absolutely. I would take that. Yeah, I would take that. 7x. Absolutely. So at least we are finding something. What is cope? I'm looking for names which are like catchy, like Chad, cope. Cope is a good meme name, right? Let's see if you're able to find it. These coins, you know, low cap, it's not even $1 million, right? Easily could be pumped by guys like, you know, 5-10 people come together. Only one multimillionaire could come and pump these coins. So for market makers, these coins are very easy just to build hype. So what market makers do is just so that their other bags, say for example, if I was the market maker and I want to make a ton of money, and I would pick one meme coin and pump the hell out of it. You know, there will be, you know, probably few, maybe 1 or 2% multimillionaires will be made out of that coin. But what it's going to do is it's going to build a hype. It's going to bring millions of people into the market when they see a guy who only put $250 now has $1 million. A news like that spreads like wildfire. It does not need any sort of marketing. Pepe, nobody heard about Pepe a few days ago, but when that tweet went, the guy who put $250 made about $1 million or $2 million. That is crazy, right? So, and everyone starts to look for a next meme coin. So they probably build these meme coins, several of them, right? And they be like, okay, this might go up, right? And they get into their game. You understand? They take all the profits. They give the money, a little bit money, and take more money, real money away. And I don't even think the way they pump these coins is real. It's all digital money. It's all algos. It could be spoofing. need to pop one of these Zyrtecs. I'm getting irritated with this fucking Poland.
Coffee cups and cigarettes laying around the room. I don't mind a little mess, just wanna stay with you.
Sang, hey Shrey. Made better late than never. How are you? Made it. How are you, Sang? Yeah, we're trying to find a low cap gem, a meme coin, or a coin that was very popular and is in dumps right now. Very block. I think this is a older coin. Raiden Network. I heard about this coin too. The coins which were popular when they were pumping, the coins which were popular had a good, at least decent team behind them for marketing. See, Donkey, you know this channel, this guy from Crypto Banter, they hyped this coin a lot. Donkey, every day they said something about Donkey, you know. So Donkey is $669,000 right now. So let's see Dawn. Again, this is not a meme coin, it's a DeFi coin. Let's see. Where's Donkey right now? Donkey dropped 99.72%. Okay. If you count it from this week here, then it's a lot more. But yeah, then it's 100%. Dumped 100%.
Nothing will ever be as real as this.
I just like the name of this coin, Donkey. Donkey.
We live on like an echo. Oh, so take me away to some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away. I ain't afraid.
You know what I mean? You know what I mean? How long this consolidation will last, I don't know, man. But like, this is pretty cheap. Donkey is cheap right now. If you look at from here, it's 99.66%. It's not bad, man. I wouldn't say it's a bad deal. Donkey. And where is it available? Let's see. Donkey. Where can we get Donkey? Dawn. Donkey. It's on KuCoin. Wow. KuCoin. Donkey is on KuCoin. So I like the fact it's on KuCoin. It's showing $1 million, almost $900,000 market cap. Yeah, Donkey. So we looked at several. If you're new, if you're just joining the stream, we have looked at few coins, right? Out of that few meme coins, we looked at Baby Doge. Looks like shit. It's like down 100%. There's another coin just came out. It's called Chad coin. Market cap is somewhere around $700,000. Then we're looking at Donkey. Donkey's market cap is around $900,000. You see the chart. It's coiling up, coiling up. When is going to explode? You know, I would expect something like that. And then pump. Yeah. Donkey. Yeah. I would not be surprised. You see this. 15, 16 cents, the pump would be, yeah, 10x pump, man. It's a 10x pump. Yeah, if it goes to that level, I won't be surprised. You know, donkey. These coins at some point are going to pump. When exactly? Cannot say. It could drag almost a year and a half before it pumps. Or it could just, wait for this triangle to end and then, have a small dump and stop pumping. But we're trying to find coins, at least if you know that there's some sort of... I didn't know about Theta coin until somebody told me about Theta. So it's just about pointing you in the right direction. That, okay, at least I have this thing in my mind that, okay, we have Donkey at $900,000. We have Mini Doge at $600,000. We have Chad at $700,000. These are low cap meme coins. So I'm planning to throw like $200 in some of the projects, right? So I'm trying to find these projects right now so that I'm ready. Oh, Zap is an oracle. Oh my god. Zap had a huge hype. Zap on Twitter, Zap is huge, guys. Okay, Zap is an oracle. Let's see. Wow. I could not believe Zap is under $1 million. Zap is like Chainlink, Look at that, man. Look at that. Wow. Came out in 2018. Look at that, man. So beautiful. I love this chart. Love this chart. Imagine this making an all-time high. We found something good, man. I think this stream has been good. Zap. It's not a shitcoin. I don't think it's a shitcoin. There's a legit team behind it, and it's a oracle. And I think it will hold this level. Went down. Zap went down 99.90% right here. And from here it pumped. My god, look at this. Wow, it went down 99.91%. People enjoyed this run. People who bought here, imagine. Wow, they got 100x. 100x, 200x. Man, this coin pumped 200x. 200x. Wow. Multi-millionaires were made in this coin. Multi-millionaires. Okay? So I think ERSDL is somewhere here in the cycle. ERSDL. On Federal Reserve. This coin, I personally think it's, see, imagine it was here, right? Like this. And imagine Zap. Zap was here. Zap dropped from the top to the bottom. 99.91%. This on Federal Reserve. Look at the drop. From here to here. 99.90%. this thing could 100x going up to just this level. It goes up to this level, it's 100x. Right, look at this. It went to not just this level. Right, look at this level. It goes up to this level. So why can't Unfederal Reserve go to this level? That's a 100x. 100, 200x, man. Look at this. Boy, oh boy. If this thing pumps, to this level, 23 cents. Man, it's 120x. Crazy, right? Crazy. Imagine if it picks up a cycle like this. And life-changing money. Life-changing money. Look at these candles though. In how many days it pumped, okay? Won't give an opportunity if you just keep on waiting and jerking off. Like this. Yeah. Look at this. How many days it pumped? Straight up 100x within 35 days. 35 days. 100x in 35 days. Okay? Not many people get this chance. When it's quiet, it's very boring, frustrating, but this is where money is made. This is where money is made. At some point, it'll reach this level. When? I don't know. 23, this level, 23 cents it's possible for this coin. Even, man, why are you worried about 100x? Bloody 50x. 50x is to this level. 618, 50x. 10 cents, it's 50x. It's a lot of money. So, well, looking at Zap. Zap is down. Zap is a good project too. It's down 99.86% right now. Total meltdown. Total meltdown. You know what? What was the coin? VThor. I think VThor did something like that. VThor. Look. VThor dropped and pumped and then dropped. Right. Look at this. Right. This thing can pump, man. If this thing decides to pump, Zap, it can take everything, it can blow everything out of water. It can blow everything out of water. Imagine a pump from here to this level. 70x. 70x pump. Zap. Let's find if Zap has Twitter. Zap network, or what is it? Zap coin. $572,000 market cap. Zap. Zap is the first ever decentralized Oracle platform to be released to the public. The official launch of Zap Oracles was in January 2019. However, works and development on the project began in 2017. So this is similar to Chainlink, man. Look at this. It's down 99 point. This is a good project. This is a good project. Let's see if you're able to find their social media. Where's their Twitter? Where would you find their Twitter? Zap Oracle. I don't like the website. It looks like a gaming website. What the fuck is this? So poor website. What is this? What is this? So ugly website. What the fuck is this? See, these pictures are not clean. What is this? Maybe it's deliberate. Let's see. They don't have Twitter. Are you kidding me? Zap does not have Twitter. They have Instagram, but no Twitter. Am I looking at the... No, it's something else. This is not... Yeah. Zap protocol. This is it. Yeah, this is it. Yep, sorry about that. The multifunctional DeFi platform. Zap. Yeah, I like this much better. Zap Dex is coming soon. Yeah, man, I like this. I like this. Let's see the Twitter. How many people on Twitter? Not a huge following, but I like when I see low numbers. That means they're real. They're not bot followers. Yeah, Zap. I like this, man. So ERSDL and Zap protocol. I like these two coins. Yeah, man. This is total annihilation. Total annihilation of a crypto. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if it goes to this level. I think it will. This level is huge. See? How many times? So many times this crypto has been here. So it will try to reach there. You know, next target should be at least 8x. 8x should be the next target. Obviously, it could dump from there. But the next target should be 8x. Is 0.021. That will be a level we'll try to reach. When exactly? I don't know. Let's see. Let's find out. This looks like we got done with the triangle right here. Pumped, dumped, found the bottom. Yeah, it looks like it's ready, man. Looks like it's ready. little more consolidation here and then pump to this level. I would not be surprised to this level. Yeah. Crypto Spark. Crypto Spark ERSDL is a pump coin. The founder will make it pump for sure. Free. Raj, greetings, brother. Very risky, but 100x, 1000x are made like that. Yes, man. You know, that's what I'm thinking. So I'm gonna put like 300. Some coin I'll put 500 and see where it goes. I've heard this before throughout my research. Just wanted to confirm. Just wanted to confirm what? What's up, Shrey? Are coins with a market cap between 20,000, 100,000 one of the good signs to buy? Well, man, I am not a fortune teller. It's just a risk. I'll be taking a risk as well. But at that low market cap, I don't know, man. I don't know. At least I like to see little history behind it. I would put $100, I would put $100 and forget it. Right. I would put $100 and forget it. But like coins like Zap or ERSDL, there was a huge hype last cycle about these coins. So I know there's a team behind it which hyped it, so they could hype it again, right? Zap is a oracle. It's a functional oracle, right? And it's down 99.86%. This Unfederal Reserve is a DeFi project. It's down 99.90%. So, I mean, it's not I'm not pulling something that is unusual. It's just, I would throw some money and see where it sticks. If it sticks, it's fine. If it doesn't, it's fine too. Because I have other coins that are going to do well. Majority of my money is in blue chips. When you have a lot of money, then you want to be in a blue chip, right? And get out. When you have little money, if I have, I'm a young kid, I'm between the age of, say, 20 to 25, then I don't have much to lose. I would have, say, invested $10,000 or maybe $20,000, right, in the market right now. If I lose $20,000, okay, fine, I lost it, I fucked up, okay? I still have time to recover my mistakes. You lose $20,000, okay, fuck it. You work, get a $50,000 job, you can make it in a year, right? But say, for example, on the other end, you are, say, 60-year-old and you want to invest from your retirement. You have $500,000 in your retirement and you want to invest. And you're like, what the fuck, man? These meme coins, should I go all in? No. I would, if I was 60, then I would go majority. Everything, I would say 90%, 95% would be in blue chip, like Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, XRP, stuff like that, which is in top 10, not even top 20, top 10, to be safe, right? To be safe, because the idea is not to lose, like go to zero. These coins, especially with the regulations and everything, that sword of regulations always on us. These coins that we are thinking we might pump, regulations can come and just destroy everything, goes to zero. These projects just shut down. Right, then what? You have to think about that, right? You want to see that coin pump, but what if all these 99% projects shut down just with one law that, okay, we will not let this thing go on? Something like that comes up from SEC. Then what? Or they said, okay, it's a security. Now you need to go with the exchange. Everything will be a lot clearer after XRP case. If they have to pay a fine and they say it's a security, all these coins will be considered security and they would have to pay the SEC a fine. If a project is worth $500,000 or $700,000, will they be able to afford a $5 million fine? That's what I'm saying. So you have to think about it. Crypto Spark, I am young and I'm risky. Crypto indeed. Crypto Spark. Robert Richards hate XRP. Well, it's a blue chip. For me, it's a blue chip. XRP is the best right now, in my opinion. I like the chart. I don't care about, it's a banker's coin or not. I don't care. But Zap, I like Zap. Look at this, man. I like it. If it goes a little lower, fuck it, It's down 99.96%, 86%. I think it's a great deal. And this is a good coin. Good coin. I'm gonna do detailed chart and put it on Patreon for Zap. I'll have to work. This is just an idea, but I will put a detailed chart on Patreon today. I'll spend like 3-4 hours on this chart. I'll make sure we get something good out of it. Okay, I'll have to spend some time on it. Where was I? Just need one shot, one big boom. Yeah, easier said than done, but anything can happen. Yeah, man. Yeah, if I was young, man, I would be all in. Fuck, I would sell my underwear. I'm risky. I am still risky. I sold one of my houses, man, and I'm all in right now. All in, Yeah, no risk. You have to risk it to get the biscuit. Okay. So what I think, by putting a larger amount, I am actually avoiding risk, because a lot of people with less money would be, say for example, if I had $10,000, then I will be expecting at least 50x, 100x that, okay. But if you have, say, $100,000, $100,000, 10x, you'll be like, fuck, it's $1 million. That's a lot of money for me, right? So a person's risk tolerance will be way different. Who has larger capital, they will be looking at, okay, I'm 10x, I'm out. Imagine if somebody has $1 million. For them, they'll be like, okay, I have 5x, my portfolio is 5x, I am out. So hedge funds who have 50 million, say $100 million, for them, a double is huge, right? 200, from 100 million to 200 million. But again, it sounds easy. Yeah. Yeah, man. Like when you're young, there's nothing to lose. You have the whole life ahead of you. You can make money. You can make money by working 60 hours minimum wage. Sleep. Easy way to make money when you are broke and you don't have qualifications. Just work minimum wage. Live. Share a room. I used to share a room. 2 guys used to sleep in one bed. Right? We didn't used to fuck each other. Just friends, Sleep in one bed. Have a small room. Share a home with somebody. Make sure your rent is like, $300 to $400 a month. Your grocery expense not more than $150. I know, but it's possible. Spend, $500. Rest all savings. No car insurance. No girlfriend. Not wasting money behind girls or anything. Nothing fancy. No new phones. Nothing. Same clothes every day. Work. Just 4 or 5 years. Just work. You'll be a millionaire in 10 years. That's it. Multi-millionaire. If you're 20, the easiest route to become a millionaire, just work 5 years. 5 years hard work. Just don't look at day or night. Nothing. Just work. 60 to 70 hours of work. Minimum wage can make you a multi-millionaire. If you invest that money, right? Work, invest. If you're dumb as fuck and don't know anything, just buy silver, gold, right? With that savings. Yeah, easy. It's not hard, especially if you're in a developed country like United States, to become a millionaire. You just have to have good work ethic, and make sure your expenses are low. No girlfriends, no spending money behind bitches, zero money. Okay? Jerk off. Stay in one room, small room for 5 years with your buddies. Hang out, have fun, man. There are 5-6 guys living in one house. You cook together, right? Make sure your expenses are low. Everyone should be in the same mindset. Everyone wants to do the same. Everyone wants to become a millionaire. Have close friends. You take care of each other, right? If your friend is sick, hey brother, have brotherhood. Build relationships like that. And yeah, man, It's easy, you know. If you don't have a job, one guy doesn't have a job, help your friend out. If he doesn't have a job, you know, find him a job. It was like, hey, bro, you know, I have, you know, here, you know, do this, right? To find a minimum wage, you know, $10 an hour job, $15 an hour job is easy, right? You can go to a warehouse at Amazon, get $15 an hour, right? Just work 60, 70 hours, nothing, 60, 70 hours for 3 to 5 years, and, you know, save that money. Make sure your expenses are low, not more than $500. Make sure that includes your rent, transportation, everything. $500. I know. You'll be like, what? Yes, it's possible. You know, have a 3-bedroom home, live 2 guys in 1 room. You just need bunk beds. Have fucking bunk beds. You just go to your house just to sleep. You get, you know, if you're really handsome, you might get laid for free. You don't need money to get laid, right? If you're handsome, you go to the gym, you look good when you're young. You don't need money to, you know, you just have to have little gain. But don't waste your money taking girls out on dates and stuff like that when you're young. That money is very precious. Every dollar counts when you're young. Every dollar. Invest. You know, invest into crypto, you know, invest gold, silver. You have nothing to lose. You can make it all back. So from the age of 20 to 25, if you make any mistakes, you can recover from it, right? It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay. Again, this is what I'm telling you, my journey, what I did, right? In my life, how I became successful. I used to wash cars when I was in London. I was doing my MBA, but I had to pay. If I didn't work, I had to pay rent, right? I had to pay rent. How food was going to come on the table. Nobody was helping me out. If I was sick, nobody came to say, hey, what happened, Shrey? I was by myself. If I didn't work, I didn't have money. So I used to go throw newspapers 5 o'clock in the morning. You know, I had a huge bag and throw newspapers from home to home, door to door. Yeah, come back, repeat. Wash cars on the weekend, go knock people's door. If you want gardening, hey, you want gardening done? You know, get $20, right? Like that. When you're young, you hustle, man. Don't waste time. I used to work 7 days a week, 60 to 70 hours. Used to party once in a while on a weekend, you know, go hard. That's it. I used to have a girlfriend. She used to split rent with me. Even in 1 room, she used to split rent with me. She was very kind. She understood that what I had things in my mind. But she was splitting rent, so that way her rent was cheaper too. So she was progressing too, right? When we were saving, we were cooking at home. We were not eating out. Like once in 2 weeks, we would eat out. That's it. Rarely. We would cook every day. We would cook at home. No coffee, none of that bullshit. No, not wasting money. When you're young, every dollar counts. Every dollar counts. Yeah. All that, you know, extra money will come. All the vacations, luxury stuff, all that will come later. Right? It's not going anywhere. But initially, you have to be very frugal initially, you know. Fuck anyone else says that don't be frugal. Yeah, you got to be frugal when you're young. Frugal, have the capital, save the money, and invest. Save the money, invest. Nobody told me when I was 21, but I was buying gold at 21. I bought gold at $220 an ounce. Gold is $2,000 an ounce right now. So, you know, I didn't know much about stocks at the time, but at least I knew that, okay, I need to, you know, money will lose value. So I need to preserve my wealth. So I used to buy gold. That helped. Then I bought real estate from the money that I saved. At the age of 24, I had almost $38,000. Okay? $38,000 saved. This is by working labor jobs. This is after paying for my post-graduation. This is after paying for my rent in UK, food, everything by myself. It's possible. Make sure expenses are low. You could do well, really well. Okay, where was I? Sorry, man. Samuel then never escaped 9 to 5 rat race. 1,000 true, Shrey. Yeah, man. People don't realize what they have here in the United States or people in Britain or anywhere. You know, when you get this opportunity. I came from a third world country. Zero, man. You have cutthroat competition. Cutthroat. You don't have Social Security, no Medicare, Medicaid, nothing. You don't work, you die. Simple. Lots of people, even with good income, 150K, are broke from high cost of living. Yeah, stupid people. All those things You buy $1 million home. Yeah, man. All these nice things are good to have. But it should be an extra expense. Say if you have $5 million and you want to invest something that, say, cryptos are risky, right? It goes down to zero. So you have $5 million. You say, okay, I'll buy $1 million home. Then it's understandable that, okay, you're buying $1 million home, because if the market crashes, that $1 million home would go to, say, $500,000. It's not going to go to zero, right? Cryptos goes to zero. If gold crashes, it's $2,000. Might crash to, say, $800. Okay, it's possible, $800. Yeah, but it's not going to go to zero. Cryptos go to zero, right? So yeah, but you have to have that wealth to do that, and think about, okay, if that $1 million home goes to $1.5 million, I wouldn't pay capital gains on a certain amount of money. If you're married, then on a certain amount, you wouldn't pay capital gains. So it's free money, right? So that's why you buy a home or different assets, because you're getting rewards, right? You buy rental properties to get residual income, that you have regular sort of income coming. If you lose a job or things go down, every time, no matter where the technology goes, people will need food to eat, right? People need place to live. People will fall sick. They will need a doctor. So strategize your life around it, right? How shall I secure myself and my family from what's coming? Things are going to be bad. A lot of jobs are going to go away. Automated jobs. So what are you going to do? Especially young people. I'm really worried. I have a daughter. So I have to make sure my daughter's future is secure, right? So how I'm going to do that? By land. Everyone will need food. How many buildings are you going to build, right? You will need people. The population is increasing day by day, right? So, all these people will need food to eat, right? So getting into food business, getting into real estate, I think these are good. So all the money that I make, I'm going to invest in these things. Real estate, farmland, these two are major for me, because I'm at a different age than you are. You could just reinvest if you want, right? You just buy the dip and, buy it back in 2032, right? I'm bullish until 2025, 2026. Right? After that, I'm really bearish. Something really bad happens. Everything just crashes. Until 2030, 2032, I'm very bearish. After 2025, 2026, those years are going to be the worst years. If you think that 2020 was bad, you wait what happens in 2027, 2028. It's going to be a nightmare, guys. So you have to prepare. You have to accumulate cash for the bad times. When you have good times, you do not forget the bad times that you went through, and those bad times will come again. It's a cycle. Anything is a cycle. If you're going through a good phase in life, that doesn't mean it's going to be a good phase forever. There will be, at some point, there'll be bad times. So you have to have savings. You have to have emergency funds for those kind of events. And you have to strategize. When bad times comes, it will be not only for you, it's a cycle. Everyone, there are a lot of businesses will shut down, economy. It just comes in waves, right? So you stay prepared that next time, if something like this happens. I was broke in 2008. I was broke when the market crashed, and I knew exactly what was going on. I didn't have much money, so I bought a house, right? I bought a house in 2010 at the bottom. This is where I got into real estate, flipping properties. Things were at the bottom. I didn't have huge money, but I accumulated capital, right, by my skill. My first $100,000 came from real estate, right? I flipped the property, bought for $135,000, sold it for $240,000. $100,000 I made, on that property. I just put $25,000 in it. So I didn't have much, but I worked hard on that property by myself. Nobody else. Did the floors, the whole house, painted the whole house. Small little things I learned from YouTube and did it. But all that stuff is possible. Once you have this capital, you have $100,000, $150,000 to work with. Money makes you money, right? Then I was like, what? You can make $100,000 in 3 months? But it doesn't stay like that for a long period of time. It's a cycle. In real estate, there's a cycle. It comes for, just like crypto. Crypto cycle stays for, say, 2-3 years. You make money, right? Then shit goes down. Just like that in real estate, you have this small window where you can make a ton of money, right? You can buy, things are half price. It happens in America. Every 10 years or 7 years, you get this downturn where it's really bad. But imagine if you don't have a job, you don't have savings, nothing going on. What are you going to do? You understand, you're intelligent enough that was like, oh my God, this is low. I should buy right now. But you don't have money. So when good times are there, when you make this ton of money right now, you make, really good in bull market. You say, I'm going to buy Lambo. I'm going to buy this. I'm going to buy good stuff. No, when you're young, no. Save that money for the next downturn. Save that money for the next downturn. You have to wait 3, 4, maybe 5 years. You have to wait, patiently wait. Life-changing money and people's legacies are built like that. Wait. Don't spend that, go on vacations. I'm not saying, have a job. Don't leave your job. Have a job so you have regular income coming in, or have some sort of business. Buy a business, buy a liquor store. Liquor store is good because, liquor don't expire. People drink while they're happy. People drink when they're broke. People drink when they're sad. They'll not stop drinking, right? And the expiry date is really long on liquor, right? So I think liquor store business is not bad. So buy a liquor store, you have residual income coming in every month, right? And when you need money, desperate, like if you see the market's crashing or something like that, sell it. But that's what I intend to do. That's how I made my money. That's how I became successful. And I became a millionaire, I was broke, didn't have any money, right? Came with $500 in the United States, $500. But yeah. Let's see where we are. Sorry to go on a rant, man. I like to share. Knowledge increases if you spread it, right? When I was young, nobody told me this. People hide their secrets, right? When I was young, I would ask my friends, hey, how did you get into this? How did you get into that? Nobody gave me a right answer. There was nobody to guide me. But you just need, what I realized, you just need good work ethic. You don't need to be super intelligent. You just need to have common sense and good work ethic. It's not about how much you make. It's about how much you save. Your expenses should be low. Okay, Zap was a good coin. Infinity Rocket. What is that? Yeah, the coins, out of all these coins, I've heard about Zap. I've heard about Donkey. Donkey was popular in last run. Zap was really popular. Unfederal Reserve, that's another coin, which is down 99.90%. Let's look at Veriblock. Just sounds good to me. $99.50% down. You know what this looks like? Man, imagine. This looks like Alchemy Pay. Imagine something like that happens. This looks identical like Alchemy Pay. If I show you, you'll be like, oh my God. Oh my God. You'll be like going crazy. Let me show you. This looks like identical Alchemy Pay. Look at this, okay? Look at this. Alchemy Pay right here. Okay? This is a weekly chart. Look at this. And look at this, okay? Look at this pump Alchemy Pay had. Like that. Imagine this pump for this coin, Veriblock. Wouldn't be crazy if it pumps like that? Wow. 500x. That'll be crazy, right? Look at that. It's down. This thing is down. 99.47%. How much did Ultimate Pay go down? 96%. It went down 96%. But look at the chart, man. So similar. Just forget about this area. Look at the daily chart. Daily. Just look at this chart. From here. Okay. It looks identical to me. Look at this. It's just crazy how identical these two charts are. Look at that. Yeah, man. I like this. I would not be surprised if, something like that happens. It won't be, it could, it won't be straight up like Ultimate Pay did. It might take a while to go up. It's not necessarily would act identical. It would go, it's possible it does something like this and then starts to go up. Okay? Like that. I have to look what Very Block is about. I don't know anything about it, but I will research. But I like the chart, man. I like the chart. Crazy. We found some good coins today. Update on Cloak and Red. Brian, finally made it, brother. How are you? What up, Shrey? Boom. Check out Lambo coin. Crypto Spark. Update on Cloak and Red. Cloak coin. Look, Cloak. In my last video I mentioned, if we go below this, then it's done. This coin is done. Right. It's holding on to it. Hold it on. To go any lower than this, it's done, brother. Okay? Any lower than these prices, coin's been there since 2014. Let's look at this with a different perspective. Different perspective. I would say it would pump, man. I think it has enough consolidation. How much longer it's going to consolidate here? It could coil up like that for a little longer and then decide to pump. When the pump happens, it'll be quick. Whenever that pump happens, it'll be quick. It'll be massive. Because all this pressure will get just loose. you know. And it's gonna build another. How high it's gonna go? Well, let's look. High can it go? At least to 618. At least to 618. Yeah, $1,000 sounds ridiculous. I know, sounds ridiculous. Sounds ridiculous. It's 28 cents, but that's what it's looking like, you know. Look, at least $800. 800, yeah. I would not be surprised if it goes to $800 at this point. Look at the consolidation for Cloak. But if we lose this level, then it's done, bro. You cannot lose this level. Very crucial. It's okay if it drags on this level for a long time like this. And at some point it starts to pump. But yeah, I like it. Where's this coin available? Cloak coin. I like the fact it's an older coin. Only few exchanges. It's tough to get this coin. Yeah, tough to get this coin. Yeah, the market cap is low. I see that. The fact that it's really old coin and still alive. And Michelle White Dove, the psychic lady, the market cap is $1.6 million. Was, you know, she had good things to say about Cloak Coin. Right. So at some point it's going to pump. The triangle is almost ending. You see this? If you look at the monthly. Yeah, see? I would say right here. This is when it will pump. And in summer of 2024. I wouldn't be surprised if it just jerks you around until summer of 2024, spring or summer of 2024. Yeah, wouldn't be surprised until then. It would just, you know, stay in this range. Michelle White said Cloak will pump and nobody is expecting it. She said it in 2021. Yeah, I think, you know, she was good. She was good. And I like the consolidation, man. Look at this. It's perfect consolidation for something really big to happen. Yeah. How long this will last, that nobody can say. I can say here, September, October 2024, you know. But yeah, until it gets out of this triangle, it'll be tough for it to pump. But when it pumps, it's going to pump hard. That's what I know. Okay, guys, I did a long session today. I'll take off, you know. Do you think RDD will pump even harder? Red. Okay, I'll take a look. I think it's sitting at the bottom, bro. I think it's sitting at the bottom. Yeah, I think it's sitting at the bottom. Here. I'm just looking at the shark teeth pattern. Nothing goes down forever. Right. How it's gonna act, I don't know, man. But I would have my eyes on this level right here. Right. How long it wastes time here, I don't know, brother. You can call this as a triangle too, right? Imagine instead of being in this triangle, like there are other coins, instead of going down and coming up and being in this triangle, what this coin did is just went up and finished the triangle. You know what I mean? You got the idea, right? So I think sitting at the bottom right now, bottom of the triangle. It's down, let's see, from the top, it went down 99.79%. Trey is a psychic of charts. My two best gainers. Sang, which ones are your best two? Cloak is my second biggest position after Epic Cash. Okay, good. If Redcoin reaches $1 one day, I will have you so much. Crypto Spark. Yeah, man. Well, it's been almost 2 hours, man. I've been live. All right, I'll take off. All right, I'll see you guys later. Have a good day. Have a good Sunday. Enjoy it. Today is sunny here in the United States. What time is it? Almost close to 2:20 right now. Okay, I will take off. I'll see you guys. Take care. Bye. See you tomorrow.